In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download multiple files at once from Google Drive on a computer. Whether you're gathering documents for a project, saving photos, or creating a quick backup, this simple process will help you download everything you need in one go. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account to continue. You'll land on your Drive homepage. From here, navigate to My Drive, or open the specific folder where your files are stored. If you have a lot of content and can't find something right away, the search bar at the top is handy for locating files by name or type. Next, choose the files you want to download together. Click once on the first file to highlight it. Then, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, and click each additional file you want included. As you select, each file will stay highlighted, so it's easy to see what's in your selection. If you accidentally click the wrong file, click it again while holding the same key to deselect it. Take a moment to scan your list and make sure everything you want is selected before moving on. With all your files highlighted, right-click on any one of them to open the context menu. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works, and on some Macs you can hold the Control key and click. From the menu, choose Download. Google Drive will start preparing a zip archive, which bundles everything you selected into a single compressed file. This is just a copy for downloading. Your original files in Drive won't be changed or moved. Now, give Drive a moment to process the archive. The time this takes depends on how many files you selected and their sizes, so larger collections can take longer. Keep the Browser tab open and avoid refreshing the page while it's working. If your selection is very large, you may see more than one zip file created, which is normal. Once the zip is ready, your browser will automatically start the download. Look for it in your browser's Downloads area, and check your computer's default Downloads folder unless you set your browser to ask where to save files. After it finishes, you can open the zip to view the contents, and if you want to keep the files in a regular folder, extract them using your system's built-in tools. That's how you download multiple files at once from Google Drive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.